Hey, today we're just getting a little filming done. Nick's got his drone out here. He's setting it up right now. We're about to get some nice shots over here. Check it out. Get some nice rollers going down the road with the drone.
Hopefully nobody gives us a hard time.
Hopefully no one gives us a hard time. There's a ton of flies over here though. I'm getting attacked left and right. You even calibrating it?
Yeah. Ready to go.
We are currently still figuring out how to use the drone. Rolling super slow here. Trying to get some nice shots. I don't know if you can see the drone behind me. Let's see if I can, oh, there it goes. Was going slow.
Stay with me.
My car was rolling.
Was it slow?
All right. How are the shots coming out?
Yeah. I can't fucking focus on it because I'm trying to whack all these flies off my face. Look at that, I'm running.
Is there actually, that's a nice shot right there.
I liked that part right there.
What about the ones in like the front? Leave a comment down below what you think I should do more. If you want to see more of like the B-roll, or if I should stick to doing more of the vlogs and you like hearing me talk and hang out and go do all that sort of stuff.
I'm literally gonna fucking lose it. There's like a million flies on me right now.
I hear them.
Fucking annoying. Stand under my drone so they can't fly on me right now.
You want to go move to a different spot?
Huh?
You want to go move to a different spot?
Heck yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I'm over this.
All right.
Plus my battery's like dead anyway.
All right. Fly it down. We'll go get some shots with the gimbal. Yeah, we are literally getting swarmed by flies right now.
We? Yeah? You're the one walking outside with the drone? Yeah? Yeah? Tell me more.
Bro, my windows were open. They were attacking me while I was rolling. Now it is because I rolled up the other ones. Get in the car.
I got like literally like 20 of them on me right now.
All right, well, we're moving to a different spot and we're
Smacking
gonna
in the face. One fly at a fucking time.
Well, we're moving to a different spot. We're just gonna get some shots with the...
complaining about being in here, seriously? There's like one in here, maybe.
Not anymore.
Maybe.
There was a bunch.
Dude, I literally just had like at least 15 of these things swarming my face while I'm trying to fly the drone. I don't want to hear it.
All right, well, we're moving to
No,
a different spot to go use the gimbal instead of the drone now.
Hit the gas.
Look, it's a giraffe. He's sleeping.
Has to be locked. That's crazy.
All right, we're putting this away. I need to format one of my SD cards real quick. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to Nick. Here you go.
You know, nothing sketchy here, just on the side of this highway. Just formatting an SD card, you know, Ocean Parkway. Yeah, nothing sketchy about this though.
I'm gonna put this away and we'll be on the way.
Oh, so you mean we're gonna be safe after this? No, definitely not.
Probably not.
Definitely not.
No.
Well, back over the bridge we go again.
Woohoo!
Again.
One more time.
Dude, why are your tires so sticky?
I don't know. Maybe I did a little on them.
Oh, dude, you're gonna have some crusty audio from wind noise.
Alright, well, I'm gonna try and get some nice shots of this. Honestly, we'll see how it turns out. I wanna get. Alright, let me get some of these first.
Bro, you got a hole in your pants. Dude, what the fuck? what the fuck? How you have a super and you got a hole in your pants?
Did a little bit more.
Hey. What does this man think he is? Don't record my boy's car. That's copyright right there. I got you on video. Where are you going?
Yo, what are you talking about?
Where are you going? Don't record my friend's car. That's copyright.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's not your car.
It's not your car.
It might be.
Maybe.
It's not.
No.
Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm done.
In my shot.
I don't. You're using a drone as a gimbal.
It's 4K. It's better than your camera, Tristan.
Anyway, I'm done getting my gimbal shots. Nick's gonna fly the drone now. Nick's gonna fly the drone now.
No, it's a gimbal.
I'm gonna post the results of the video that we're filming right now at the end. If you like how it comes out, drop a like on the video. Sounds like it's dying, bud.
Sounds like you're dying, bud. No, what the fuck is it doing, bro?
Oh, we got a wild drone.
It's literally like fucking trying to do its own thing.
We got a wild drone. It's trying to fly away. Woo, hello. Whoa. Whoa.
He almost just hit me with the drone.
Watch where you're walking, stupid.
Boy, you going.
Oh, I got that boat.
Ooh. Look, it's about to die.
It's got 8%. It's not like I'm flying it over the water.
I guess, but when it drops, you're gonna be upset.
I'm not gonna let it drop.
Sheesh.
I was making those people very uncomfortable on that boardwalk. I'm so good at that.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
I just wanted to take a second to say thank you to everyone who's been watching my videos every week. If you're new and this is your first time watching one of my videos and you're enjoying what you're watching, hit that subscribe button down below. I'll be uploading more car content, and depending on how this video does, maybe a little more videography. Kind of give everyone like a little behind the scenes of what happens while I'm shooting some of my videos. So here's the end results of all the shots that we just shot in this vlog.
JR gotta know.